What's up, y'all? Holy smokes, do I have an awesome freaking treat for y'all today. But I went to the store today, picked up the fish that I've been waiting on. Been sitting there at the store, quarantined for the last few days, making sure they're all good. And it is gonna be epic. It's gonna be freaking sweet. I picked up something that's very hard to find at times and very expensive. I got a heck of a deal on it. We'll get into that later. But it's sitting right here. It's a very big bag. Woo! Can't wait to show y'all what it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these fish acclimated right now. I got one sitting over here that I don't want you to see what it is. Sorry about the GoPro died. Anyways, got him. We're gonna get those fish acclimated. We're getting the temperature right on them first, and then we'll do a drip acclimation on them, and then we'll get them in the tank, and we'll go from there. So y'all stick around for a second, and we'll come back when they're acclimating. Okay, time to start. Time to start getting these fish acclimated. I mean, yeah, that too. Well, they're already temperature already acclimated. We gotta get them drip acclimated now, but trigger fish can go right in the 55. Boom! So that's what I got today. A nice Picasso trigger.
And he's going in that tank right there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Right. Yeah.
get him out of the water.
There we go, buddy.
Alright. That's quick. That's super quick.
A little Picasso trigger. He's gonna love it in there.
Bam, bam, bam.
As soon as he gets bigger, he'll be going in the 200. Now,
where is he?
to show y'all
Really, who's this guy?
the real treat.
That's cool. Look at that. What is that right there, bro?
That's clownfish, frostbite clownfish.
Yeah, he's checking them out. Like, what the heck?
So let's turn around and they were asking $300 for him. He was on sale for $125. There's no way that I can pass that up.
You don't think he's sick or nothing, do you?
Definitely not. So I'm sure y'all can already get an idea of what's in the bag. I know you don't know what kind it is yet, but I'm sure you have a good idea of what species it is.
I'm still guessing here.
Alright. Let's get this guy out of here.
Yeah, he's in a PVC pipe. Okay.
And let's get some water on him. Alright. So, what we have down in there is a nice zebra moray eel. As soon as we get him drip acclimated, we'll get him in the 200-gallon tank. So, what we're going to do now, we're going to take the drip line, get it all set up. So as soon as we get this set up, we'll be right back. Acclimation is set up. We got the drip line set up here, and it is filling up the bucket as we speak. And you see his little nose poking out right there. So we're gonna give him till this bucket is almost full of water, and he will be good to go. Just open his mouth up there yawning, and we'll get him in the tank. Here we go.
How long has it been?
It's been about an hour and a half now.
No, I mean, since you've been wanting to get him in the tank, since you bought him.
Oh, a couple days.
Couple days.
Yeah, a couple days. But I didn't even know that I was gonna find one of these guys. I got lucky. Did not even know. For that price, anyways.
So when you buy them, they don't let you have them right off the rip or
Yeah.
what?
Yeah. I just wanted I wanted to make sure he was nice and quarantined.
Okay.
Make sure he didn't have any diseases.
All right.
They keep all their tanks medicated.
Yeah.
That way, when you buy them, you know you don't have to quarantine them when you get them home. You don't have to put them in a hospital tank. And you just take them home, get them acclimated, drop them right in your display tank. Because the aquatic reef design, all their tanks are medicated, so you don't have to worry about anything. As long as they've had the fish there for at least 2 to 3 days, you're good to go. But if they just got them in, you definitely want to leave them there for a couple of days. But they'll hold fish for you too. You tell them you want it, they'll hold the fish, mark it as sold, and you come back and get it. So anyways, let me go rinse my hands off. I'll be right back. 1 second. It's off the hands. I'm gonna take the whole PVC pipe. Hopefully he doesn't come going crazy. Stay inside the pipe, buddy. And let's get him in the water. Alright, so he's in. We'll dump a little bit of this water back into the sump. And my sump's full again. Try that up. Yeah. Now eventually all this right here is going to be covered up with rocks. I don't think I'm going to leave that pipe in there. I'll probably take that out, depending on how it looks when I get the rocks in there. But as of right now, so we'll make sure that he's going to be comfortable and swim around and come out and eat the next couple of days. So we're just going to keep an eye on him. Make sure he doesn't try to eat any fish because he's pretty big. And
probably the biggest one in there.
yeah, he definitely is. And look at that, he's already loving it. You can already tell he's got a big tank.
Just a predator tank?
Yes, this is a fowler is what you would call this tank.
Yeah, fowler.
It's fish only with live rock is what they call that.
He stuck his head out and then back in there.
So we'll see how he reacts in the next 30 or 40 minutes. I think he's gonna love this thing.
There he is.
And
Man, he's big.
you gotta keep Trig out of his house.
Man.
So
I hope you don't go grabbing a fish, man.
don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video.
Yes, sir.
Because that really helps. The like, if you don't subscribe, just hit the like button. That helps out with the
A
algorithm.
thumbs up, man.
Yeah, just hit the thumbs up. Click it. It really helps out with the algorithm. Puts the videos up there so everybody can see them. Because don't forget, I do have an anglerfish that y'all haven't seen a whole lot of yet either. He's out there. Y'all want to sneak peek at him real quick again, we can go take a look at him. So, but first, look at that guy real quick. That's just so beautiful. Look at that guy. He is huge.
It's scary.
Alright, so salt tank's doing good.
It's sharp.
Let's go take a look at the electric bluejack Dempsey that we have growing out right now, who is doing so well. So freshwater, and we'll get into another video on doing the freshwater tanks in the future. Let's go check him out. So that guy there, I got him when he was probably that big, literally that big. I'm not even gonna lie, he was that big when I got him. And he's only been in this tank now for about a month and a half, 2 months, and that's how much he's grown out. I don't feed him any type of bloodworms or any type of frozen food. All I feed him is pellets. He loves his pellets. The omega 1s is what he loves. Keep the water at 83 degrees and do water changes every 2 or 3 days. So check this guy here out real quick. My anglerfish. And we got the big lion in there. He's just chilling. I think his stomach's full. They ate all the shrimp overnight. So anyways, they're gonna be going back on the 200 soon. Anyways, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Peace!